Regenerative agriculture represents a revolutionary approach to farming, transcending the conventional boundaries of sustainable agriculture. It embodies a profound commitment to restoring the land, reinvigorating ecosystems, and cultivating vibrant, fertile soil. At its essence, it's a pledge to the earth, a promise to replenish more than we extract from the land, preserving its vitality for future generations. The cornerstone of regenerative agriculture is soil health, and it's here where the magic truly unfolds. Healthy soil is a dynamic, bustling ecosystem in its own right. Beneath the surface, it teems with life, bustling with beneficial microorganisms, fungi, and earthworms. This vibrant subterranean community is nature's hidden workforce, orchestrating a symphony of ecological processes. In many ways, healthy soil behaves like a living sponge, possessing the remarkable ability to capture and store carbon from the atmosphere. This is a pivotal contribution to mitigating climate change. Furthermore, this sponge-like soil can retain water, thus offering a natural buffer against drought and floods. It acts as a reservoir, slowly releasing moisture to plants when they need it most. Yet, it doesn't stop there. Healthy soil serves as a nutrient powerhouse, supplying essential elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support plant growth. It's an essential provider, ensuring that crops thrive without the need for excessive synthetic fertilizers. In sum, regenerative agriculture's heart is its unwavering dedication to cultivating soil health. It's a transformative journey that leads us towards a sustainable, thriving future for agriculture and our planet. 1. Principles of regenerative agriculture. Regenerative agriculture is rooted in a set of fundamental principles that collectively form a blueprint for sustainable, earth-friendly farming practices. These principles serve as the guiding light for a profound transformation in the way we interact with the land. The first principle, minimal soil disturbance, advocates for a departure from conventional tillage and plowing. These disruptive practices have long been used in traditional farming but can have detrimental effects on soil health. By minimizing soil disturbance, regenerative agriculture aims to preserve the delicate soil structure. This approach fosters the development of a stable, crumbly texture that is better equipped to absorb and retain water, sequester carbon, and support beneficial soil microorganisms. Diverse crop rotation is the second key principle. It involves planting a variety of crops, shifting away from monoculture. This diversification enhances biodiversity, reducing the risk of pest and disease outbreaks. Moreover, it promotes nutrient cycling, where different plants extract and return specific nutrients to the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. The use of cover crops is another essential regenerative practice. These are non-harvested crops planted primarily to protect the soil from erosion and weed invasion. Cover crops also add organic matter to the soil, enhancing its overall fertility and health. No synthetic chemicals is a central tenet of regenerative agriculture. This principle advocates for the avoidance of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. Instead, it encourages the use of natural, organic, and biologically based methods to manage pests and nourish crops. This approach not only safeguards human health but also protects the environment from chemical pollution. The final principle, integrated livestock, introduces animals into the farming system. This integration is not limited to traditional animal agriculture but rather involves incorporating livestock into the farming cycle. These animals play a critical role in nutrient cycling by grazing, depositing manure, and enhancing the overall ecosystem's resilience. 2. Benefits of regenerative agriculture. The profound benefits of regenerative agriculture are nothing short of a farming revolution. Farmers worldwide are experiencing remarkable transformations in their fields and ecosystems, underlining the compelling advantages of this approach. Increased crop yields. Regenerative practices often lead to equal or higher crop yields compared to conventional methods. Improved soil health, nutrient cycling, and a reduction in pests contribute to these elevated harvests. Enhanced soil fertility. Regenerative farming methods rejuvenate the soil, nourishing its microbial life and promoting beneficial organisms. This leads to enhanced soil structure, increased organic matter, and greater fertility, ultimately supporting more vigorous and resilient crops. Improved water management. Regenerative agriculture excels at water management. Healthy soils act like sponges, absorbing and storing water during rainfall, and releasing it gradually during dry periods. This not only reduces the risk of drought but also minimizes the impact of floods. Carbon sequestration. A key benefit is carbon sequestration, as healthy soils store carbon from the atmosphere, mitigating climate change by reducing greenhouse gas concentrations. Biodiversity boost. Regenerative practices foster biodiversity. Crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced chemical inputs create diverse habitats for a range of species, which enhances natural pollination, pest control, and the flourishing of wildlife. 3. Success stories. Regenerative agriculture is not a mere theoretical concept, it's a tangible, transformative force shaping the future of farming across the globe. From the sun-soaked slopes of California to the vast plains of Africa, farmers are wholeheartedly embracing regenerative practices and witnessing remarkable results. In California, where droughts and wildfires have challenged traditional agriculture, regenerative methods are breathing new life into arid landscapes. Farmers are reporting increased crop yields, improved soil health, and more efficient water use. In the plains of Africa, regenerative agriculture is rejuvenating degraded lands, replenishing soil fertility, and enhancing food security. Local communities are experiencing not only healthier harvests but also a revived connection with the land. These real-world success stories serve as compelling proof that regenerative agriculture is not just a concept but a profound revolution in farming, revitalizing ecosystems, improving livelihoods, and offering a sustainable path forward for agriculture. 4. How you can get involved. Now, you might be pondering how you, as an individual, can play a pivotal role in this transformative movement. The good news is that you don't need to be a farmer to contribute to regenerative agriculture's success. You can initiate change right in your own backyard by embracing sustainable gardening practices, like composting, reducing water waste, and planting native species. Supporting local regenerative farmers is another impactful way to make a difference. Seek out farmers markets and local producers who adhere to regenerative principles. By purchasing their products, you're not only supporting sustainable agriculture but also promoting local economies. Moreover, when shopping, look for products that carry regenerative certifications or labels. Your choices as a consumer hold the power to encourage the adoption of regenerative practices across the agricultural industry. Remember, every small step counts on the path to a more sustainable and regenerative future. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share to help spread the word about regenerative agriculture. Together, we can make a world of difference.